Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you some amazing hidden tricks that you will find on your iPhone running iOS15 beta 1. So let's start with the Safari browser. Now in Safari browser you can actually organize your tabs in different groups. So right, you can see here that I have two tabs open here, but which is just one group of tab. Now I can tap here and switch to other tabs that I have opened on another group. So think of these like a folders for your tabs. So you can organize your tabs into folders, and if you tap on the plus button you can add another tab to that group. So if you want to switch here, you can see we have another group right here. Without start page you can actually create here a new group. So tap right here and then create a new group and then add other pages on that one. And one of the best feature that Apple has added on iOS 15 is the new drag and drop feature. It is amazing and you can pretty use it everywhere on iOS. Now we are googling images of an anime and you can see that I can drag the images and close the browser and directly paste through the Notes application. Now if you want an image and plus a browser link, you can just click on that and add to the plus button, and now you can close the app or minimize the app and paste it to the Notes application. It's very easy and it's very helpful, and you can do this same from the Spotlight search. As you can just search it in Spotlight and then of course just drag it like this and go out of here and go on the Note application and just release it, and just like that you can basically drag anything or any image from your Spotlight search to your other apps. Another cool new feature is of course live text. It is pretty amazing and it works for a lot of things. So basically you will have text from your camera for anything that you need on iOS 15. Right here on iMessage, I want to compose a new message. I can go ahead and quickly from here choose to actually enter text from camera. Now I can do the same from email. So if I just want to send an email, I can go ahead and tap right here and scan an email. If I have an email somewhere or a business card or a document, I want to send an email to that person, just tap right here and of course scan the email directly from the camera on iOS 15. And now I want to talk about this really cool feature that allows you to translate text and also look up any word or copy paste any text from an image. It doesn't have to be an actual text. For example, right here this is a screenshot of one of the features of iOS 15. I can actually press and hold and bring up the selector here to select these words right there, and now keep in mind this is an image and not an text. We can copy and look up the meaning. Of course, if we copy this, we can head over to your Notes application and directly paste there. Now FaceTime has received two amazing new features. If we take a look at Control Center now, you might have noticed these two new options that appear after we launch the FaceTime application first. First is video effect. If we long press here, we have the option to choose portrait mode. You also have a microphone mode, or as it is known as mic mode. You have three options, which is standard. You have standard, which is a very standard method that you use, and second is voice isolation, which directs the audio directly to your voice. It is an amazing feature, nothing else but your voice is heard on the other end. You need to try this. And the third is wide spectrum, which obviously allows more voices and more sound to be coming into the FaceTime call. In case you and someone else are speaking to someone, this is the wide spectrum option that you want to choose from, but they only show up when you are using FaceTime. And now on iOS 15 you can choose to zoom on any app you want without having to zoom all other apps. Now this is an amazing feature. Let's say we are on Notes. To zoom, all I got to do is just tap the zoom option here. We have a switch for all apps that can be switched to Notes only. So all I want to do here is of course just zoom in on Notes. That's about it. I don't have to change the zoom setting on all other apps. Now you can do this for your home screen or for each of the apps individually. Now once you open up the app, just go to the control center and it will actually just change the zoom settings on that certain app. On iOS 15 we didn't get any major updates for widgets, but if you have stacks of widgets then you will see a change. When you go to edit the stack, you will see that you will get a totally new interface, and we have widget suggestion. Now that's a really cool new feature. If you enable this, basically it will show you suggestion based on your time or place or whatever app you are using at that time or certain place. It will show that widget on the stack. As you all know, Shazam has now been integrated into iOS 15, but its music recognition on iOS 15 has a new look. That if you touch and hold an Shazam button on Control Center, you will now have an option for your history or the stuff that you have searched for. Now the cool thing is that you can delete them if you want to. To delete an item from there, you just have to swipe like this and it's gone. Now finally on iOS 15 you can directly open the Spotlight search from the lock screen. So you want to search something, you just have to swipe like this and it shows you the Spotlight search. You don't have to actually go to the home screen and then go to the Spotlight search. I think it's really cool feature that Apple has added to iOS 15. So that's pretty much in this video. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe for more and I will see you in the next one. Peace.